excitement, the energy, the passion, the love, the family type environment.
I mean, come and see for yourself the magic this entire room has.
There's so much value that I get from every conversation, every interaction, every Doug event.
It's a unique event in many ways. The feel that it has to it, the relaxed nature, the community spirit.
But it's like coming to hang out with your friends. We are all supportive of each other.
The Doug community truly is a family.
Aren't a part of this community yet, jump on board. We have a really good time. We take good care of each other.
Take the gamble. Be in Las Vegas for DynamicsCon 2026.
See you in Vegas!